Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to add text in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've added a clip to serve as my background. To add our text, let's begin by selecting the Type tool to the left of the timeline. Next, click anywhere in the video preview and start typing to add your text. You'll notice Premiere automatically creates a pink element on your timeline. This represents your text. You can drag the clip from its center to adjust where your text shows up on your timeline. To change the text duration, you can also drag the edges of the text clip. To reselect your text, select the Text tool. Hover over your text and click and drag over the text you wish to change. Alternatively, to select only the word itself, you can also double-click that word. To select all, you can either triple-click anywhere on your text or press Ctrl-A on your keyboard, Command-A on a Mac. Now, to change your text's properties, like font or color, select your text sequence on the timeline and go over to Effect Controls. Under Text, you can adjust properties like font, its size, and style. Under Appearance, you can modify the color of your text by clicking on the box next to Fill and choosing your desired color. To add an outline to your text, check the box next to Stroke and also change your desired color. If you want to increase the stroke's thickness, drag the slider to the right. You can also set a background behind your text by ticking this box and adjusting its color, opacity, and size. Additionally, you can add a drop shadow. Under Transform, you can move and resize your text using the position or scale values. However, it's easier to use the Selection tool and adjust the text on the preview screen. Lastly, here you can also decrease your text opacity to make your text more transparent. You're now proficient at working with text in Premiere. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.